Have you ever wondered why two people can earn almost the same income, yet one ends up wealthy while the other spends their entire life worrying about money? It's tempting to think the difference is intelligence, luck, or having a higher-paying job. But that's usually not the real reason. The truth is that almost everyone moves through predictable money stages. Some people climb them quickly. Others spend decades trapped in the same one without even realizing it. And here's the surprising part. Most Americans never make it past stage 3. So the real question isn't how much money you make. It's, what stage are you in? Let's find out. Stage 1, survival. Imagine waking up every morning with one thought on your mind. Will I have enough? Enough to pay rent, enough to buy groceries, enough to keep the lights on, enough to make it until the next paycheck. This is survival. It's where money controls your decisions. Every purchase feels stressful. Every unexpected bill feels like a disaster. A broken phone, a flat tire, or a medical expense can throw your entire life into chaos. People in this stage often believe their biggest problem is low income. Sometimes that's true, but psychology tells us something interesting. When your brain is focused on survival, it struggles to think long term. Instead of asking, how can I build wealth over the next 10 years? Your mind asks, how do I survive until Friday? That's why escaping this stage isn't just about earning more. It's about creating enough breathing room to think beyond today. And unfortunately, millions never get that chance. If you've ever been here, or you're here right now, you know how exhausting it is. But thankfully, this isn't where everyone's story ends. If you're enjoying this video so far, take 1 second to subscribe. Videos like this are made to help you understand the psychology behind money, not just how to earn it. Stage 2, stability life. Finally feels manageable. Your bills get paid on time. You have a little money left after each paycheck. Maybe you've started budgeting. Maybe you've built a small emergency fund. For the first time in years, you're not constantly worried about financial emergencies. It feels like you've made it. But this stage has a hidden danger. Comfort can trick you into believing you've arrived. Many people stop learning. They stop improving. They stop asking bigger questions. Instead of wondering, how do I make my money work for me? They simply enjoy the fact that life is no longer difficult. And while there's nothing wrong with enjoying stability, standing still is often the beginning of falling behind. Inflation keeps rising. Expenses change. Life becomes more expensive. If your money isn't growing, its purchasing power is shrinking. Stability is a great place to visit. It's a dangerous place to live forever. Before we continue, think honestly. Are you surviving? Or are you simply stable? Don't answer too quickly. The next stage is where most people accidentally get trapped for years. Stage 3, comfort. This is where almost everyone wants to be. And strangely, it's also where most people stop growing. Picture someone earning a solid income. They drive a nice car. Their apartment looks amazing. Vacations appear on Instagram every few months. Friends assume they're rich. But behind the scenes, their paycheck disappears almost as quickly as it arrives. Every raise creates a bigger lifestyle, a nicer neighborhood, a newer phone, a more expensive vacation, a luxury car payment, designer clothes, weekend shopping. The income grows, but so do the expenses. Psychologists call this lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more your definition of normal changes. Suddenly, things that once felt like luxuries become necessities, and that's the trap. Because wealth isn't measured by what you spend, it's measured by what you keep. Someone earning $80,000 while investing consistently may quietly become wealthier than someone earning $200,000 who spends nearly everything. That's why appearances can be incredibly misleading. The biggest financial mistake isn't earning too little. It's allowing every raise to disappear before it has a chance to change your future. If this idea is making you see money differently, leave a like. It tells me you're enjoying this kind of content and helps more people discover the channel. Here's a question. If your income doubled tomorrow, would your investments double? Or would your lifestyle? Your answer reveals more about your future than your salary ever will. Stage 4. Wealth building. This is where something fascinating happens. Money stops being the reward and starts becoming the employee. Instead of spending every extra dollar, people in this stage buy assets. They invest consistently. They build retirement accounts. They own businesses. They purchase investments that generate income long after the work has been done. Every dollar gets a job, and over time, those dollars start hiring more dollars. That's the magic of compounding. At first, it feels painfully slow. Months pass, then years. It almost seems like nothing is happening. But eventually, the curve changes. Growth accelerates. The money begins working harder than the person who earned it. Most people underestimate this stage because they expect fast results. Real wealth is rarely dramatic. It's usually quiet, boring, consistent. And that's exactly why so few people stick with it. Quick question. Which stage do you honestly think you're in right now? Let me know in the comments before you hear the final stage. I'm genuinely curious. Stage 5. Financial freedom. This isn't about owning a mansion. It's not about private jets or luxury watches. Financial freedom means something much simpler. Your investments, your assets, and your passive income can comfortably support your lifestyle. You no longer work because you have to. You work because you choose to. Your decisions are no longer controlled by fear. You can spend more time with family, travel without guilt, support causes you believe in, start businesses because they're meaningful, not because you're desperate. Ironically, many people think money buys happiness, but what money actually buys is options. The freedom to say no, the freedom to say yes, the freedom to live according to your values instead of your bills. That's what the final stage really represents. Not luxury, freedom.
Here's the biggest lesson from all 5 stages. None of them are permanent. People move forward, people move backward. Someone can build wealth for 20 years, then lose everything through poor decisions. Someone else can spend years struggling, then completely transform their financial future through patience, discipline, and consistent action. The stage you're in today doesn't have to be the stage you're in 5 years from now, but moving forward starts with honesty. You can't change what you refuse to recognize. So ask yourself one final question. What is the single habit keeping you stuck where you are? Because your financial future isn't decided by one massive decision. It's shaped by hundreds of small ones. Every paycheck, every purchase, every investment, every excuse, and every opportunity. One choice at a time. If this video helped you understand money differently, subscribe for more videos on the psychology of wealth, success, and human behavior. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which money stage are you in today? And what's the next stage you're determined to reach? I'll see you in the next video.